Hello, I'm just going to show you how to set up the limits on a Somfy motor. This is a Roman blind and it's a battery motor, but if it was a rotor blind which is on this side, it doesn't make any difference if it's the Glidea rail or if it's the Techno 30 rail with the Glidea motor. They're all set up the same way. So in order to join the remote to the motor, you press the up and down button at the same time till you get a jog. Always remember to let the buttons go when the motor starts to move. Then you see this blind is partially up, so it's no harm to move it down until you get it to the bottom. And you can move it a little bit if you want to. Then you press the my button and the up button to set the bottom limit. And the blind goes up. You let the buttons go as soon as the motor starts to move. And when it gets to the top, I'm going to stop the blind by pressing the my button. And then you check that it's at the position you want it, so you're happy with that. So then press the my button and the down button to set the upper limit. Sometimes it doesn't work because you mightn't just get them exactly at the same time, so you need to do it again. There you see, when you've got them exactly at the same time, it moves. When it gets to the bottom, it'll stop itself. So then you press and hold the my button until you get a jog. That records the limits. And then you press the button on the back of the remote till you get another jog, and that takes it out of setting mode. And that's the limit set. So the blind will work perfect then from then on. So the blind is working perfect now. If for any reason you have to clear the motor, there's a little hole in here in the motor in the middle of the head rail. You press it with a biro and hold it till it jogs up and down, up and down, up and down 3 times, and then that's the motor back to factory settings. And you just reset the limits as I've demonstrated. Thank you.